Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to answer which is the better growth stock to buy, Roblox or Roku. I'm going to compare these two growth stocks on revenue, on cash flow, on operating profit, and on valuation before I answer which one is the better growth stock to buy. So let's jump into it with revenue growth. And looking at this metric, we can see each of these two growth stocks have experienced decelerating revenue growth in recent years as economies reopened. Phenomenal growth rates of 2020 and 2021 slowed down for Roblox and Roku. Most recently, Roblox grew their revenue at 15.15% in their most recent quarter, and Roku accelerated and grew their revenue at 10.83%. Longer term, it looks like Roblox has better revenue growth than Roku. The next thing I wanted to compare these two on is operating profit margin, and these two growth stocks are going in the wrong direction, with Roku going downward and having a negative 22.86% operating profit margin. Roblox much worse at negative 49.56% operating profit margin. Most of Roblox's losses coming from stock-based compensation as the company is diluting shareholders aggressively. But you can see the difference here when I switch to cash flow from operations to sales. In this metric, Roblox is positive 15.97%, and Roku also positive 0.48%. As this demonstrates, both of these growth stocks are using significant amounts of stock-based compensation. And when you look at cash flow, those are stripped out because stock-based compensation is a non-cash expense. But Roblox far ahead of Roku here at 15.97% compared to 0.48%. Roblox's business model is interesting in that the company gets cash up front when players deposit money on the platform, and then it pays developers later. It outsources development of the games on the platform, and it only pays developers that create successful platforms, successful games that players spend money on. So it's got an excellent cash cycle where it gets money up front and then it disperses it to developers only later on when players start using the money. So I like the way Roblox generates money there. I like that business model, and it's been working well for Roblox. Finally, I wanted to compare these two on valuation, and I chose to use the forward price to sales ratio. And judging by this metric, Roblox is more expensive at 4.1 compared to Roku at 2.918, I should say. That said, I'm willing to pay the premium for Roblox. I would pay the more expensive price. If I had to choose between these two growth stocks today, I would buy Roblox. Roblox would be my choice. The stronger cash flow generation sways me to choose Roblox over Roku, and the long-term potential, I'm more enthusiastic about Roblox and the metaverse than I am about Roku and streaming television. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.